Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math Gohar. Start by mastering definitions, theorems, and common proof techniques before solving exercises. Build a one-page summary for each topic and use active recall nightly. Schedule short, focused practice sessions with varied problems and check solutions carefully. Teach a friend or record yourself explaining proofs to reinforce understanding and spot gaps in logic gently and effectively. Work smarter with deliberate, varied practice that targets weak spots and builds confidence. Rotate problem difficulty and simulate timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Keep an error log so you can revisit common missteps and rewrite solutions until they stick. Pair practice with short review bursts of summaries and flashcards to lock in concepts, then gradually increase complexity as your understanding grows, staying patient and consistent. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes study breaks peaceful and saves space in your backpack, a handy companion for math readers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose tools that match your learning style and rotate them regularly to avoid plateaus. Combine clear textbooks with concise notes and worked examples to see methods applied. Draw diagrams, concept maps, and annotated proofs to make abstract ideas concrete. Seek feedback from peers or tutors and use spaced repetition for formulas and key steps. Keep sessions short and focused, and celebrate small wins to maintain motivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.